Now, I want to introduce the topic and few tips related to percentages. And from this, percent means it can be simply called as x by 100. So, if we want any percentage, simply it can be represented in this form. Like if you want 2%, then it will be 2 by 100, and if we want 50%, and it will be 50 by 100. Now I am going to give another tip that the x percent of 100 is equals to always x. X percent of 100 is equals to x. I am going to show you an example. Consider 20% of 100. So here the 20 will be the x, and I have said that percent means x by 100. Here the x will be the 20, and 20 by 100 into 100. Both the hundreds get cancelled and the 20 will be the answer. Now here x will be the 100, and the answer will be also the 20. That means it is also x. So hence it's proved that x percentage of 100 is equals to x. X percent of 100 equals to x, and in this example 45% of 100, that means 45 by 100, 100 gets cancelled, and the answer will be the 45. And also the another system is x percent of y is equals to y percent of x. And I'm going to give another example that 20% of 50, and simply 20% can be written as 20 by 100 into 50. 0 gets cancelled, and it will be 2 times, and this will be 10 times, and this is x, this is y. Now 50% of 20. Now this is x, this is y. Here 50% means 50 divided by 100 into 20. 0 gets cancelled, and 2 double it will be cancelled 5 times, and it will be 10 times. So totally we got the 10 in both the cases. So from this it is proved that x percent of 100 is x percent of y is equals to y percentage of x. And I'm going to give you the fraction decimals that 100% means it will be the fractional form of 1 by 1, and it can be written as 100 by 100, it will be 1 by 1. And similarly 50%, that means 100 by 50 will becomes 1 by 2. And similarly 25%, and this is 1 by 8, 1 by 3, 1 by 6, all can be considered by using these methods only. And I'm going to say how to identify the percentage values simply. Actually here one of the example he has considered, and that is called as 75% of 100. So 75% means we can consider it as 75 by 100, as we have discussed previous, and 75 by 100 into, sorry, it's not 240, 75 percentage of 240, right? So simply we considered as 75 by 100 into 240. Now 0 gets cancelled, and it's 12 times, and it's 2 times, and 24 it's 5 times gets cancelled, and this 5 will be 15 times. Now that we have to do 15 into 12 is equals to 180 will be the answer. This is one of the main method which all of us know, but now I am going to tell you one of the simplest method, and that is 75 can be written as 50 plus 25, and our value will be 240. So 50 plus 25% is, right? So 50% means half of that percent. So if we consider 50% from this 240, we will obviously get 120, and this will be the 25%, right? So from this we have got 120, and from this 120, that means half of the 50% will be 25, half of the 120 will be 60, and we have got simply 180. And also we can return this as 50 by 100. So finally we got the answer as 180. And similarly, here 75% of 240 will be the 180, and 75% of 240 will be calculated also. Here 25 into 3. That means if we got the 25% as the fraction here 1 by 4, so 75 can be written as 25 into 3, and fraction of 24 will be 1 by 4. Sorry, it will be 25. 1 by 4 into 3, it will be 3 by 4. And finally we are going to calculate in this way, 3 by 4 into 240. And this will be 60 times 3 into 60 will be 180. So this is the one of the easy method we can solve the percentage values.